What's going on, guys? Welcome to Royal GT Auto. Here we have a Ferrari F430. Came in for a few works that we did on this. First, they had the PPF on this vehicle that was peeling off. It was discolorating, so we removed it, had the car polished again, and then as well as did the full front PPF. Got the fenders, got the full hood, the mirrors, the bumper. This one was a little bit tricky. The front hood and the fender, as you see, they're all joined together. It was to make it to seamless factory finish. We had to do a full one piece. Film, which use a lot more material, but in the long run, it is a much more cleaner finish. You don't see any seam lines or any connection of the two films being joined. Other cool thing on this, it is a 2000 Ferrari F430, but it's very good condition. Like the interior, as you see, it's got the nice red interior in it, and as well as the paint, it's immaculate. But it had some issues with the roof. The roof wasn't closing properly. It wasn't aligning the mechanisms, so we had to do a full diag on it, removed the panels on the back. Made sure the hydraulic system behind it was working properly, so we had to realign all the panels and replace the ECU computer behind it, and did the full calibration, and now it's perfectly fine, just like factory working. All panels are lined up perfectly. This one, the rear had some issues with the panel where we had a few stone chips and some marks that the client wasn't happy with. We removed the full back panel off of this, and with this panel here, the glass is assembled with it, so you cannot remove it and separate them. So we had to remove the whole back panel on this Ferrari, get it sanded down, get it repainted, and then reinstall everything back together. The other cool thing the client requested is if we can do the logos in a gloss black for him, which we did. I think it looks amazing. Both emblems in the rear has the gloss black now. I think it's a beautiful car. A lot of these cars are getting discontinued, especially the F430s and some of these other older Ferraris. They're appreciating very well too. The Love Ferraris, the Enzos, and all that. So if you're ever looking for any repairs on your old vintage Ferraris, if you ever need any work on the roof and calibration, and want us to do a full diag on anything like that, we're here at Royal GT Auto. We can take care of that for you. See you till next time.